In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Protonmail account from scratch, step by step. Protonmail is a privacy-focused email service, and the setup process is quick once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through each screen so you can follow along easily, even if you're completely new to it. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. You can type the address directly into the address bar at the top of your browser. Make sure you're on the official site and not a lookalike. The page should clearly show the Proton brand and mention secure or encrypted email. Once the homepage loads, give it a second to fully display, especially if your connection is a bit slow. On the homepage, look for the option that says Create a free account. This is usually highlighted or placed somewhere prominent near the center or top of the page. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the sign up area where you can see the different Proton Mail plans. Now you'll be asked to select your plan. Proton typically offers both free and paid options. The free plan is great if you're just getting started or you only need basic email with strong privacy. The paid plans usually come with extra storage, more email addresses, and additional features. Take a moment to read the short descriptions under each plan so you know what you're choosing. When you've decided which one is right for you, click on that plan to continue. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a username. This will become the first part of your new email address, the part that appears before the @ Choose something that you're comfortable sharing with others, since people will see this when you email them. If the username you want is already taken, Protonmail will usually let you know and may suggest alternatives. Try adding numbers or a small variation if your first choice isn't available. Take a second to double check the spelling. You don't want to realize later that you accidentally swapped a letter. After that, you'll need to enter a password. This is a crucial step for security, so create a strong, unique password that you don't use on other websites. Aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid personal details like your name or birth date. Type the password carefully, and if Proton asks you to confirm it by typing it again, make sure both entries match. If your browser offers to save the password, only accept that if you're on a private, secure device that you trust. Once your username and password are set and everything looks correct, you're ready for the final step. Look for the button that says Start using Protonmail now and click it. The site may take a moment to create your account and set everything up in the background. After a brief pause, you should be taken into your new inbox where you can see the Proton Mail interface for the first time. From here, you're ready to explore your inbox, adjust your settings, and start sending and receiving secure emails with your new Proton Mail account.